That's great. At least 3 of you enjoyed it. That's good. What's been going on then? Drinking. Dancing.
And drinking.
That's all you need, really, isn't it? Oh, and what? I'm talking. Oh, you know what? I'm up on stage. I can't actually hear what you're saying. I was just lip reading, and that was wrong. Anyway, this is for any of you that are in love. Is there anybody here in love? Oh, just one guy. One guy in his own. And I don't actually know if he's in love or if he's just leaning against the post. He's leaning on the lamppost, but he is in love. That's all. Ah, I see. Oh, that was good. That's good, my friend. This is for you. The thing is, this is for anyone that's in love with Fussy Eater. Said Fussy. It was dimly lit by candle when I took you out on a romantic night of bliss. The waiter poured the vino blanco. He should have poured it down the sink, it tasted just too tart. And I looked down at the menu when I saw there struck terror in my heart. It could have been in Esperanto, but all the sense it made, you know it was all Greek to me. And no food to look so mangled. You know just where to shove your peri-peri recipe. I closed my eyes and hoped and prayed that what they brought was fish and chips with peas. Well, there was some on me plate last night. The food was shite and Nando's. I don't know what it was they brought to it, but it smelled like meat and Nando's. And though it seemed that there was tons of choice, well, I had regrets. Well, if I had to do the same today, I'd say no way to Nando's. I acted smooth like Marlon Brando in The Wild One back in 1953. But me plate looked like John Rambo. Had attacked the lobster and sharpened machete. And if the chicken was free range, I'm pretty sure that it was not happy. Well, there was very little I could do, and it tasted poo and Nando's. And it smelled just like a septic tank, and the food was rank and Nando's. And when they brought the bill, my wallet broke into a sweat. And even if I could forget the smell, I'd say to hell with Nando's. Well, even Apple wouldn't take a chance. Well, the food was pants and Nando's. I don't know what it was that took us there, but I found a hair at Nando's. And though I tried to block that image out, well, I can't forget. I would recommend the Pt1. It tasted poor at Nando's. Cha-cha-cha. God bless you.